long since I have sat down and filmed for YouTube. It's been like 3 years. And the reason for that was my skin had gotten really, really bad with my second pregnancy, and makeup was like hurting my face to the point where I could only wear it for like an hour or so, and then like washing my face burned, so I just kind of stopped wearing makeup. And then I got to a dermatologist and got on medication. In my skin, I have foundation and stuff on right now because I'm just doing an eye look today while I talk. But yeah, I got on medication and my skin can actually live with makeup again, and it's been great. And I have found different products I can and can't use, so I just have to like be mindful of stuff like that with my face, because rosacea is like a pain in the ass when it comes to what you can and can't use. I actually have had to get shots because I had an allergic reaction to a foundation. Like I had hives all over my face and I had to go get like steroid shots because I couldn't like open my eyes either. It's been ridiculous. I'm gonna throw some pictures of my acne skin in. And it's just like really red and a lot of like pustules. I think that's what they were considered, and it's just, no go. Like I don't, it was tender to the touch, and just it was a lot. And then obviously after my second daughter I had severe postpartum depression, and that lingers a lot. She'll be 2 in a couple days, but I feel like it lasted for about 14 months altogether, just not feeling like myself, and not knowing how to deal with things right. But I'm back and I feel a lot better, and mental health matters, so go talk to your doctor, get put on something for your mind, and I promise it helps. It's worth it. 100% do it. No matter what antidepressant you get put on, there's like millions out there, and just try them on until you find something that slightly works, and if that doesn't work long term, switch it again. Just talk to someone, get some mental help. Now we're going to I don't know, I have this I guess my mirror's back here, and I haven't done this in 3 years, y'all, so give me a minute. But I bought this the other day and I've used it 2 or 3 times now, and I just really wanted to do something with it, like this purple, what's this called, wisteria. I'm just feeling like it is so pretty and I want to put it on my eyeballs, so I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna use this Liberty, oh my god, look, I can't figure out how to use it anymore. This right here, this Liberty, because it looks like my nails have hair color, don't judge me, like that. I think I want to put those two together and then maybe add one of these, like, oh, like this lily, this color lily. Don't look at my finger, I just bit it. I don't know, maybe like something with those three. Yeah, let's figure it out. Let's do a little makeup fun. So this is the Anastasia eye primer, and this feels literally like concealer when you put it on. It's really, really great. Really nice when you put it on. It like is liquidy, like very liquidy, and I just throw it on with my finger, and then I take the other finger and like smear it all around, like pat it in there. And yeah, I don't know, it feels like really like a liquidy foundation. I think that's why I like it. And it just really like evens out your eyelid, you know what I mean? It just adds like a little bit of a white cast to it, and I like that. So I think I'm going to do one eye on camera and then jump off, finish the other one, and come back, because in case I don't like this, so I can redo another look with it instead. But yeah, so I'm going to set my eye with, I can't pronounce this, but this light shade right here. I'm just gonna set the whole eye with it. Yeah, see, I feel like it looks, just setting it down, just matting it out. I think I'm gonna add like a brown cut crease and like out into a wing. So maybe I should tape my eye. I'm gonna tape my eye off real quick. Okay, yep, I'm all taped off. Makes the cleanup easier, I'd rather have an easier cleanup than why do many step one few do trick, That's just, okay, now we have that Liberty color on here, and I'm just going to kind of outline where I want. And I'm just going to to go. Right down a little bit more. See what I'm saying? Like just kind of outline right there. Like so. Yeah, I like that. And then I want to kind of like swoop it down. And then this will be like the point. Yeah, yes, because then that wing will come up about right here. Yeah, I think I like this. Okay, now I want to take like a little fluffier brush and kind of just work this out. Blend it out. Ooh, let my mirror out so you can actually see what I'm doing. Kind of blend this. I want to soften this up more. And then, you know, the blend from this part's going to come down. So it's almost like blend up through here, let it go, and then blend out in here, if that makes sense. I want to pack on more through here. So I'm just going to keep on packing it. Because we're going to like cut inside and above. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to keep saying makes sense, so just ignore me. But yeah, just keep adding that Liberty into here because I want this to be like the most color. This is like kind of like a winged cat wing. Winged cat wing. Like the wing of the liner. Okay. Keep on packing. Go up a little bit. Okay, now I want to go up just a little right through here. A little bit more. Just a little more. Screw it. Take it out further. There's no rules here. Kind of see what I'm talking about. Kind of see what I'm doing here, maybe. If this is my favorite, oh my god, how do you influence? There we go. Favorite thing to do cut creases with. So phenomenal. Hands down the best. So I'm gonna cut the different parts of my eye that I want to be like the purple color now. My chair is crickety and has bells on it. Let's get into cutting this. So I want to cut like above it. I kind of want this to like swoop down into it. Like, see what I'm saying? Like I want to like wink. Like I don't want up here to be cut. So now I'm gonna just try to blend this out. Okay. Yes, perfect. That's exactly what I want. Yes, just like this, but more. Okay, do we see the double cut going on now? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm getting at here? Okay. And then I think when you put like this kind of stuff on, you need to like pat it back. Maybe you don't have to. I just think it helps it blend it better. Just like up here, I kind of want to clean up a little bit more. Yes. Okay, now I got like this going down. See? It's kind of different, kind of cool. Let's pack on the purple. Ooh, that purple is so good. So good. Just so good. Look at that pretty purple. Oh, I love this. Now I want the purple to be right with this. Okay? Just you'll understand this in a second, I promise. A fluffy brush, once you put it up there, and you just kind of blend it softly. just so that hint of purple is in there. Okay. That's it. Just blend it out. Then blend this one this way, and then you kind of want to make these two married. Just push them together, back and forth. Okay. And now, maybe you think like, ooh, we kind of lost that defined line a little bit. Yeah, maybe we did. So I'm going to show you how to fix that part. You go back with that Liberty, that darker color. First, you want to push that into that purple more. You know, because once again, that's our dark color. So push that into there. Okay. Now I take like a very sharp angled brush. This is the KVD brush. And put the dark on here. And then you just tap along those cuts. Okay. And then I take a fluffier brush and work it up. And it just defines it, I feel like, so much more. And the same thing, I'm gonna like follow along the dark cut right here and then blend it down. See what I'm saying? And then blend it down. It just looks so much crisper and cleaner and cute. And I usually don't wear my eye makeup like this, so I feel like this is a lot for me. Maybe I want this to come up more. I don't know, whatever, it's too late. Goes with almost all my eye looks. I like to put a highlighter like up in there. So this is my the Glam Light Ghost Face highlighter. I've been using it every day, every single day. Then I like to put it right over where that purple was, into the front. And then I'm going to throw some on the purple because why not? I like my whole eye look to look shiny, you know? And then I'm going to peel this tape off and feel relief for 2 seconds. Oh. Do you see what I'm saying? It's just like the sharpest little... Oh, sorry. I was looking at myself in the mirror. It's the sharpest little, like, cat eye moment with a little bit of purple in it. Do I like this? I don't know. Maybe should I add more purple into this? Maybe bring the purple, like, up. I want to put the purple up higher. I think that's exactly what I like. I think that's gonna make it look better. Oh, yeah. See how that's like a little curve to it now? Yes. This is it. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, yeah. A little bit of wisteria here. Abso-freaking-lutely. This is... Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. This is cute to boot. Alright, look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So, some lashes and liner. I think this side turned out better than this side, but that's okay. I used e.l.f.'s just little glossy gloss and pink quartz, and that's what I've been putting on a lot. It's just gloss. Ew, you probably heard that mouth noise. But yeah, so I don't know. I want to get back into making YouTube videos a lot more, and send me ideas, Pinterest looks, other people's videos, TikToks, whatever it is. Just send me something on Instagram. Yeah, I just want to really get into making more videos because I have so much fun doing it. And I know I fell off for a while, and so if you have the interest in making videos, no matter what it is you do, if you do makeup or hair or I don't know, anything, just you go fishing, real estate, play video games, just do your thing, make a couple videos, have fun with it, because even if like it doesn't blow up or you don't get a lot of views, you know, it is still fun to like take the time to sit down and do something you love and like a hobby you have. You know, it's definitely made me feel better to get back into playing with makeup, and I feel better when I go and do like weddings now. Like I don't feel so off with it, or like I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, and then if you are into makeup, like reach out to other makeup artists and ask for tips and tricks. You know, I don't gatekeep shit. So if there's something I have or like, or you see a picture and you're like, what did you use? Just like, I'll tell you everything. Um, you know, makeup's for everybody. Girls, gays, and the theys. Himbos and the bimbos. You know, we're all in this together with makeup. So yeah, just send me stuff. I want to do more fun stuff. I don't know. I like want to get out of my comfort zone and have fun with it. So hopefully I go back to posting about one video a week is my goal. Maybe one every 2 weeks, hopefully once a week. I would like to do 2 a week, but you know, having kids is rough. But yeah, so that's all, and I will see ya hopefully in a week again. And if not, well, hopefully not 3 years. That's all I'm aiming for, is not another 3 years. But yeah,